Hello everyone. We were doing the question number 2 of exercise 6.2. I have completed till the D part of this question. Now I'll be starting the E part of the same question. In the E part, they have given 3 integers. This time we are having 3 integers. The first integer is -1 plus the second integer is -2 and the third one is -3. Here there is a plus sign between all the 3 integers. It means we are going to add all 3 integers. But before that, as we were doing in the previous part, we were simply having only 2 integers and it was very easier for us to solve them. This time we are having 3. So first of all, we will be opening the bracket of these integers, or we will be solving their operations. The first integer is -1. We do not have any operation before it. That's why this bracket will be opened simply. We will be writing it as -1. For opening the second bracket, the two operations are written together. And when the two operations are written together, we are using our rule. The rule is plus minus is minus. So we will be writing a minus sign over here. I already explained the rules at the top. Plus plus is equals to plus, minus minus is equals to plus, minus plus is equals to minus, and plus minus is equals to minus. So here the two operations are plus minus. So plus minus is equals to minus. So there will be a minus sign. The second integer I have written as it is 2. Again, coming to the third integer, there are two operations. Plus minus is equals to minus, and the third integer is 3. We have to show these integers on the number line. We have to solve these integers on the number line. What I am going to do, first of all, I am going to solve the first two integers. The first two integers are -1 minus 2. It means 2 is subtracted from -1. So first of all, I am going to solve the first two integers. The first integer is -1. That's why I will be starting from -1. There is a minus sign between both the integers. That's why we will be moving in the left direction. The next integer is 2. It means we will be taking 2 jumps. We will start from -1. We will take 2 jumps, and remember that we have to move in the left direction because there is a minus sign between them. Let's show the arrow. So the first answer, solving the first two integers, the answer is -3. Now we will be solving the third integer on the same number line. We will be solving it in continuation. Again there is a minus sign. We will be starting from here only. Again there is a minus sign. That's why we will be moving in the left direction. The number is 3. The integer is 3. That's why we will take 3 jumps. Starting from here only. 1, 2 and 3. So till which number we have reached? We have reached till -6. Again we have moved in the left direction. That's why we will be showing the arrows over here. So our final answer is -3. When we will solve all 3 integers, we will get the answer as -6. Now let us come to the last part. The last part of this question is -2 plus 8 plus -4. Again we have to show all the 3. We have to solve all these 3 integers on the number line. But before that, we will be opening the brackets of these integers. The first integer is -2. We do not have any operation before it. That's why the bracket will be opened simply. We are not going to make any change in the operation. It will be written as -2 plus 8. There is only one operation. That's why it will be also copied as it is, plus 8. Now coming to the next part, there is plus and minus. Both the operations are written together. That's why we will be using the rule plus minus is equals to minus. So it will be converted as minus, and the last integer is 4. Now let us, as you know that we have to solve them on the number line. So first of all, we are going to solve the first two integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So first of all, we will be solving the first two operation. It means, first two integers. It means 8 is added to -2. As I have told you, whenever we have to show the addition or subtraction on the number line, we always start from the first integer. The first integer is -2. That's why we will be starting from -2. There is a plus sign between both the integers. That's why we will be moving in the right direction. As I have told you earlier, when there is a plus sign, it means we used to move in the right direction. The next number is 8. The next integer is 8. That's why we will be taking 8 jumps. So starting from -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We were moving in the right direction. That's why we will be showing the arrows in the right direction. So what the answer of the first two integers is 6, positive 6. Now let us come to the last part of this expression. The last integer is -4. So 4 is subtracted from the answer of these two integers. What is the answer of these two integers? It is 6. 4 is subtracted from it. There is a minus sign. That's why now we will start moving in the left direction. The integer is 4. That's why we will be taking 4 jumps. We will start from the answer of these two operations. We will start from 6. There is a minus sign. We will move in the left direction. And remember that we have to take 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are moving in the left direction. That's why we will be showing the arrows in the left direction. And what is our final answer? The answer is 2. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will be doing the last 3 questions of the same exercise.